This is the MOES Smart LED bulb. This is the GU10 LED. You can see it opens up really nicely. It's packaged really well. It's got the instructions right here. And then this is the bulb right here. This is the GU10. This is a color changing bulb. It's LED. It's a Wi-Fi bulb. You could dim these. It has a lot of different features. These are compatible with the Apple, Alexa, Google Home services. So you could use the voice commands and things like that to turn the lights on. You could schedule them to go on and off. Once you download the app, for the MOES app, you have full control over the lights, the dimming, and more. These are just really great light bulbs. I have several of these throughout my home, and they just do a really great job. Again, this is the GU10 bulb. Has a lot of different things that it could go into, but really highly recommend this bulb here. Again, it changes colors. You could dim it. This is the packaging here. You can see it shows everything on the side right here. It shows the wattage is 4.7 watts. And again, GU10 bulb, smart bulb, connects by Wi-Fi. You could schedule it on and off, has a lot of different features. Highly recommend checking these out.